Electric flux is defined as the electric field lines passing through a surface. Then what is actually the surface? Let us draw the surface like this. And the electric field lines passing through it like this. So let us denote the surface by S and the electric field lines by E and carrying the positive charge. Then the definition is, it is the electric field lines passing through the surface which is measured by the scalar product. The scalar product of the electric field lines and the area of this surface S is defined as the electric flux. So electric flux is denoted by phi. So we can write here also electric flux is equal to phi, denoted by phi. So which type of quantity? And hence this is scalar quantity. Scalar quantity means it has no direction, only magnitude. So the electric flux is a scalar quantity defined by or denoted by phi. Therefore we can write phi, the electric flux, is equal to E, the electric field lines, and S, the surface. So electric field lines dot the surface, and which we can write also like E S cos theta. When we remove the vector sign, we have to write here cos theta, means this is the formula of this. And hence when cos theta, when theta is equal to 0, then cos 0 is equal to 1. So we can write theta phi is equal to E S, which means when it will the maximum electric flux. So the maximum electric flux will be on when theta is equal to 0 degree, and hence when theta is equal to 90 degree, we can write cos 90 degree to 0. So here theta will be equal to ES when it is minimum, or we can write, it means that when theta is equal to 90 degree, we have cos 90 is equal to 0. Therefore theta will be equal to ES, and this means that it is 0 electric flux. So this is the definition of electric flux, and we will also output about the when theta is equal to 180 degree and what will be the value of that. So we write here when theta is equal to 180 degree, then the value of phi, the electric flux, is equal to minus E S, and that means that it is the minimum electric flux, and thus the whole definition of the electric flux is this. So this is the whole definition, and you can realize what is electric flux and the definition. And I repeat the definition, that electric flux is defined as the when the electric field lines passing through a surface which is measured by the scalar product of electric field, yani कि scalar product of electric field and the surface or the area of surface, then it is denoted by phi, that means electric flux. Hence we will do more and some of numericals of electric flux in the next video. Therefore subscribe and press the bell icon